Hi friends, for our math channel today, we're going to do dice addition up to 10. Now I'm going to remember that the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay friends, now we're going to look at each dice and we're going to count how many. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write down, across, and down some more. That's how you write the number 4 plus 1. So it says 4 plus 1 equals. To solve that, I'm going to count up all of the dots. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write my answer. Make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. All right, my friends, you're going to do the same thing for the rest. First, you're going to count how many and write it, plus how many and write it, equals, you're going to count them all up and write your answer, okay? So we're going to count, write how many, and then join them together and write our answer. Do your very best, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here at the end of the day.